Hi students, how are you? Are you ready? Today we are going to start our new chapter, Politics, chapter 6, Understanding Media. Understanding Media. Understanding Media. What is your favorite TV program? What is your favorite TV program? Do you watch? Did you read every time newspaper and magazine? Are you read? Okay. Here we are going to start our media. What is media and importance of media and mass media? Do you have any idea about that? What is media? What is mass media? About that, do you have any idea? Now we can study one by one. What is media? You want to take page number 71. You want to take page number 71. Here we can see that what is the definition of media? Media, what is the importance of media? What is the importance? What is media? Just think. Just make one sentence. What is media? Everything ranges from the stall at the local fair to the program that you see on TV can be called media. Everything ranging from at local fair in a one place. Okay, everything ranging from the stall at the local fair to the program. Then that is refers to all media refers to all means of communication. But firstly we can study what is media. Media refers to all means of communication. All means of communication included what are the means of communication? Then TV, radio, newspaper, then our recently medias, WhatsApp, then Facebook, Instagram, all these means of communication are included medias. Media refers to all means of communication. It refers to all means of communication. It connected all means of communication like radio, television, newspaper. Then another social medias. What are the social medias of Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. These are related to our medias. Understand? Then second, everything ranging from the stall at the local fair. That everything news, sports, entertainment program, education, important things, cinema, serial, everything ranging from the stall at the local fair. Okay, that is called a media. Understand? Third important thing, then communicate in society. The medias are connected with the community or society. Communicate in society. With the help of media, the people, the mass, the human beings are understood everything from the society. They will aware about the events and other things happen in the society. They will mold, they will aware, they will create some or some awareness about our society. Okay, that is communicate in society. These are the important things related to media. Media refers to all means of communication. It refers to all means of communication. Just think about what are the means of communication. Understand? Next, everything ranging from the stall at the local fair, the TV, our local, we can take the cable channels and also we can take internet. The facilities are there, no problem. That when everything ranging from the stall at the local fair. Understand? Then third one, it communicate in society. Who will in the society? Media always communicate in not a particular person, not a particular individual. It communicate in society. Understand? Then look your page number 71. Look your text. Just to read, everything ranging from the stall at the local fair to the program that you see on TV can be called media. Media is the plural form of the word media and it describes the various ways through which we communicate in society. Because media refers to all means of communication, everything ranging from a phone call to the evening news on TV can be called media. TV, radio and newspapers are a form of media that reaches millions of people or the masses across the country and the world, and thus they are called mass media. Next important concept, mass media. Firstly we make idea about, we bothered about media. Next point, what is mass media? ബഹുജന മാധ്യമങ്ങൾ ഏതൊക്കെയാണ്? TV, radio and newspapers. Never text this much only. Newspapers that reaches millions of people across the world. Okay, this is called a mass media. The TV, radio, newspaper and other social medias. In our recent, what are the things, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, that also related to, linked with the mass medias also. Okay, radio and TV, newspapers that reaches millions of people, that is called a mass media. Understand? Firstly we bothered about media, then mass media. Understand? Once again, radio, TV, radio and newspapers are a form of media that reaches millions of people or the masses across the country and the world. Thus they are called mass media. Understand? Media, it is refers to the means of communication, they communicate with the society, everything ranging from the stall at the local fair, the millions of people reaches. Okay, mass media. Then in our chapter we want to make idea about the media and technology. Our next topic, media and technology. What are the influencing, how it influence, media influence our technology, or technology influence our media. What is the relationship between media and technology? Media and technology. Okay, do you have any idea? Media and technology. Without technology we cannot think. Without technology, we cannot think. It would probably difficult to imagine your life without the technology. We cannot imagine without technology our life. How? Here, media and technology, the next paragraph, it would be probably difficult for you. Imagine your life without the media and technology. Without the media, we cannot do anything. Without the media, we cannot do anything. Very difficult situation with the influence. That's why media creating very important part in our society, in our life. Okay, how? Then, but cable television and the widespread use of the internet is a recent phenomenon. These have been around for less than 20 years. The technology that mass media use keeps changes. The technology that mass media use keeps changing. We can see that the technology every time developing and also developed. Okay, every time more technology. Okay, and that our media also developed. Understand? The newspapers, television and radio can reach millions of people because they use certain technologies. We can see that the newspapers, television and radio can reach millions of people because they use certain technology. The media can use certain technologies. Okay, how? We can see that our media can use lot of technologies. We also tend to discuss newspapers and magazines as the print media. Here we want to bother about print media and mass media. We also tend to discuss newspapers and magazines as the print media. Then and also two types of medias with the help of technology, print and electronic media. Print media and electronic media. Electronic media depends upon using technology. Okay, media can be divided into two, print and then electronic. Depends upon using technology. Understand? Depends upon using technology. Our media can be divided into two, print media and then electronic media. What are the printed technology? Printed media, printing media, newspapers, printed form. What are them? Then newspapers, magazine are then examples of print media. Okay, what are the examples? Newspapers and magazine. Okay, magazines, these are belong to print media. Okay, we already learned importance of media and mass communication. There are two types of media, print media and electronic media. The print media is belong to what? Newspapers and magazine. What are the electronic media? Then what are the? Radio, television, internet, email, etc. The TV and radio as the electronic media. TV and radio. In our text, TV and radio only. And radio. Okay. Then and also another means of communication. What are the internet, email, that also belong to electronic media. Understand? These are the two important types of medias. The print and electronic media depends upon using technology. Understand? Do you have any doubt? Okay, look your text, page number 71, second paragraph. As you read further, you will find out that naming is related to the different technologies that these media use. The following photographs will give you sense of the ways in which technology that mass media use has changed over the years and continues to change. We can see that our technology always changing. Okay, always changing and continuously changing. അതായത് it will continuously changing our technology, that also affect our what? It will affect our media. Depends upon our media is completely depends upon technology. Understand? Then first page, here we can see that one picture, lot of pictures there related to mass media. Everybody want to observe very carefully each pictures. Okay, print media is there. Okay, first picture referred to electronic media, second also, third one print media, fourth one electronic media, then last lot of pictures there you want to observe. Okay, that is the print and electronic media. Then changing technology or machines and last paragraph. Changing technology or machines and making technology more modern. Changing technology or machines and making technology more depends upon technology. It will affect our medias also. It will more modern. Understand? Helps media to reach more people. It will reach more people. Depends upon the. Just think about our technology is more advanced, that will affect our medias also. That will reach more millions of people. Understand? It also improves the quality, sound and the images that you see. That technology also affect the quality of the program and the videos of the program and sound, that also related to what? Technology, that quality, sound, okay, that image. Then technology improves quality of the program, okay, and the image of the program, images and then pictures. Okay, these are related to the medias, quality, sound and the images. Okay, then third one, sound, that also improve with the help of medias. Understand? Then that is the influential thing, technology. Changing technology or machines and making technology more modern helps medias to reach more people. It also improves the quality of sound and the images that you see. But technology does more than this. It also changes the ways in which think about our lives. For example, today it is quite difficult for us think our lives without television. Television has enabled us think of ourselves a member of large global world. Okay, we can without media we cannot think our life. Television or mass media is very creative or but influencing in our daily lives. Without media we cannot think our routine life. Is it correct? We agree? Yes, of course it is correctly. We can tell without media our life is not possible because everything controlling, okay, our with the help of technology. Okay, then television has think our lives. Without television has enabled us think of ourselves as member of larger global world. Television or another social medias became part of larger global world. Next paragraph, page number 72. Then television images travel huge distance through a satellite and cables. How television became the part of our society, how became very important part, it distance through a satellite and cables. That connection also we are following, cable connection and other things, satellite program. This allows us to view news and entertainment channels from other parts of the world. Most of the cartoons that you see on television are mostly from Japan or the United States. Okay, that is the standard of what our medias, the influencing or technology, the help of technology. The most of the programs, especially cartoons and other things, okay, most cartoons that come from other countries or Japan or USA, United States, then we have that type, that much capacity. Okay, that's why the from Japan or United States or another countries, UK, reach that things or entertainment program from that country also reach here. That's why it is a very important thing. Okay, we can now be sitting in Chennai or Jammu, can see images of a storm that has hit the coast of Florida and the United States. Television has brought the world closer to us. Television or mass media has brought the world closer to us. It create direct relation, or the television or mass media can create closer relationship with us. That is word closer to us. അതായത് ലോകത്തെ തമ്മിൽ അടുപ്പിക്കുന്നു. വിത്ത് ദ ഹെൽപ്പ് ഓഫ് മാസ് മീഡിയ ഇറ്റ് വിൽ ക്രിയേറ്റ് വെരി ക്ലോസർ ആറ്റിറ്റ്യൂഡ്, ക്ലോസർ റിലേഷൻഷിപ്പ്. അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്? നെക്സ്റ്റ് അവർ ടോപ്പിക്, അവർ കണ്ടന്റ്, മീഡിയ ആൻഡ് മണി. ഹിയർ വി ഫോക്കസ് വാട്ട് ഈസ് മീഡിയ, വാട്ട് ഈസ് ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻസ് ഓഫ് മീഡിയാസ്, വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ മീൻസ് ഓഫ് കമ്മ്യൂണിക്കേഷൻ, what is the scope. Okay, it is create very inter relationship close towards the world. Okay, and also lot of programs from another countries also reach here with the help of developed technology. Understand? Then media and money. What is the influence of media and money? Money is the important thing. Okay, how it influence, what is the relationship between media and money? Can you tell what is the relationship between media, what is the important, what is the scope, media and money? Okay, next firstly we discuss media and technology. Okay, the most developed technology wanted. Next, media and money. What is the role? Okay, what is the role? Page number 72, second paragraph. The different technologies that mass media use are expensive. We are using lot of technology. Okay, for the good development of the medias. It is very expensive. We know that it is very expensive. ചിലവ് കൂടിയതാണ്. How it overcome? Then just think about the TV studio in which the newsreader sits. It has, just imagine, one newspaper is reading news. The lot of facilities are there. What are the facilities? Just think, it has lights, cameras, sound records, and also transmission satellites, etc. Lot of facilities are there. Just observe one newsreader room of money. We want lot of money. Okay, from where that money we get? Okay, that channel. Okay, that every program we want a lot of money. How it handle? Okay, that is the relationship between media and money. Understand? In a news studio, it is not only the newsreader who needs to be paid, but also a number of other people who help put the broadcast together. In a newsreader room, we can see the lot of people, lot of settings are there, technologies are there, and also lot of people also there, helpers. Okay. The number of other people who help put the broadcast together. This includes those who look after the cameras and lights. Supporters are there, camera and lights are also. As you read earlier, the technologies that mass media use keep changing, so a lot of money is spent on getting the latest technology. If we spend lot of money, we will get latest technology. Understand? If we get lot of money, we will get more technology. Okay, at that time our program's quality will improve. Our quality will improve. That is the relation. Okay, if the quality program wanted lot of money. How we to manage? How? Okay, how? Due to this cause, the mass media needs a great deal of money to do its work. As a result, most television channels and newspapers are part of big business houses. We can call that, but television channels and newspapers are part of business houses. അതായത് ഇവരൊക്കെ എന്താ ന്യൂസ്പേപ്പേഴ്സും അതുപോലെ എന്താ ടെലിവിഷൻ ചാനൽസൊക്കെ ഒരു ബിസിനസ്സാണ്, ഒരു ബിസിനസ്സിൻ്റെ പാർട്ടാണ്. ഇവർ ഇതെന്താ ഒരു ബിസിനസ് പോലെ കൊണ്ട് നടക്കുക. കാരണം മ്യൂച്വലി ഹിയർ വി ക്യാൻ സീ ദാറ്റ് മ്യൂച്വൽ റിലേഷൻഷിപ്പ് ബിറ്റ്വീൻ മീഡിയ ആൻഡ് മണി. We want lot of money to the day-to-day work of the medias. How? From where? That is the question. നമ്മൾ എവിടെ നിന്ന് കണ്ടെത്തണം, എങ്ങനെ? Okay, next paragraph we can move. From where we can over this kind of money we can manage. From who support? From where we will get that much support? Do you have any idea? Okay, thank you. From advertisement. From advertisement. Our next paragraph, advertisement. What is the role of advertisement for the smooth working of a what? Smooth working of a media or internet or email. Okay. Mass media is constantly thinking of ways to make money. One way in which the mass media earns money is by advertising different things like car, chocolate, clothes, mobile phone, etc. When we watching a movie or then any sports item, suddenly will come one advertisement. Okay, is it correct? That is the really very important thing. Advertisement occupy very important part our medias. Okay, how? You must have noticed the number of advertisements that you have seen while watching your favorite television show, while watching a cricket match on TV. The same advertisements are shown repeatedly between each hour, and so you are often watching the same image over and over again and again. While watching a TV program or the entertainment program or sports item, anything or match, we can see the lot of advertisement repeating and repeating. Okay, we can see that watching the same image over 1 hour, as you will read in the following chapter. Advertisements are repeated in the hope that you will go out and buy what is advertised. That's why the advertisement, that company will give what for that cost, that money. That's why the what media, that is the relationship between media and money. Which is medias, every time media perform very important role in our daily life. It want a lot of money. Okay, that money will from where? From the advertisement. Understand? Media and money. Then mass media constantly thinking of ways to make money. One in which the mass media earns money is by advertising different things like car, chocolate, clothes, mobile phones, etc. These are the relationship between media and money. Okay, firstly we learn what is the importance of media. Okay, then what is the importance of mass communication? What are the mass communication? Then what is the relationship between media and technology? We remember. Then lastly we learn, we focus media and money. Today this much only. You want to read our text very carefully, prepare lecture note and submit me personally. If you have any doubt, contact me personally. Thank you.